Most people think they're investing, but smart investors, they move differently. They don't chase hype. They don't panic.
And they don't just throw money at the market and hope.
They follow a few simple rules, and they repeat them over and over.
Let's break down the 4 things smart investors always do. Smart investors aren't here for a quick flip. They're building wealth for the future. They ask, will this company still be winning in 5 to 10 years?
Because real investing is like planting a tree.
You don't dig it up after a week to check if it's growing. Time in the market beats timing the market. Imagine betting all your money on one horse. If it loses, you lose everything. Smart investors spread their bets.
They invest in different companies, industries, and types of assets. That's called diversification. And it protects you when stuff goes wrong. Metaphor: don't put all your snacks in one vending machine. If it breaks, you're starving. The market will go up. It'll go down. News will say, sell everything.
TikTok will say, buy now.
But smart investors stay consistent. They invest weekly or monthly, no matter what.
Even when it's boring.
Because boring is how real money gets made. Bonus: they set it on autopilot, because habits greater than hype. Smart investors don't blindly follow trends. They know what they're investing in, why they bought it, what would make them sell. If you can explain a stock in one sentence, you probably shouldn't own it.
Clarity equals confidence equals better decisions. Smart investing isn't flashy.
It's patient, it's boring, and it works. Think long term, diversify your money, stay consistent, and understand what you own. Do that, and you'll already be ahead of 90% of people. If you want to invest smarter, not harder, like this video. Subscribe for more no-fluff investing tips made for real people. And share this with someone who's still just guessing in the stock market.